Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make roux for lasagna easy method. Begin by melting equal parts butter and flour over low heat and whisk constantly until smooth and fragrant. Use a light golden roux to thicken bechamel without darkening the sauce, and whisk in warm milk gradually to avoid lumps. Cook 2 to 3 minutes more and season to taste for a silky, stable lasagna filling. Start with clear measurements. Equal weights of butter and flour give predictable results, especially for lasagna layers. Warm the milk slightly before adding so the roux accepts it without clumping, and add milk in thin streams while whisking. Keep the roux light golden for a creamy bechamel that blends well with tomato sauce. Taste and adjust seasoning gently to enhance the overall lasagna without overpowering the other ingredients. Control the heat and movement. Whisk continuously and use low heat to avoid burning or uneven cooking. Cook until the raw flour smell disappears, but stop before the roux darkens, since a pale roux keeps bechamel creamy for lasagna. Add warm milk slowly and whisk to incorporate fully, finishing with a gentle simmer to thicken. If a few lumps appear, a quick strain or vigorous whisking over low heat will smooth them out and save the sauce.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.